Good morning, children. So, today you are going to learn about the next topic, that is shadow. So, children, what is meant by shadow? Shadow, actually, it is a dark object. Okay, dark patch formed. Okay, when as we all know that we learned also that the light pass straight. Okay, light travels straight only. If when it is traveling straight, if we keep in between an opaque object, what happens? Its direction will be changed, right? So it will obstruct. So that time what happens? The object's shadow will be formed on the screen. Okay, that is only shadow. So see how it is. For example, if any source of light we can say, okay, the light, now I am drawing here the torch only. Okay, or you can take the sunlight even. This is the torch, and now here the light passes through, right? It passes like this, and here there is a screen. Okay, this is a screen, and here it is the light. Okay, and in between, if I keep one ball, okay, here there is a ball kept over here, then what happens? This ball, it is actually an opaque object only. Okay, it is an opaque. That means if it is a football that is made of rubber, right? It is an opaque only. Then what happens? It will distract the light. That means it will obstruct the light path of the light. Okay, it is disturbing. It is not allowing the light to pass through straight, right? Because it is an opaque object. So the light, it's a shadow. Now that time what happens? This object's shadow will be formed on the screen because it is just opposite to the light. Okay, so its screen will be formed here. Okay, and this time see, here it is the colored one. Okay, this ball is a colored football. Okay, or you can say it is a colored ball, and then that when it is forming here on the screen, you won't get the same color of the object. Okay, always in the screen the shadow is always black in color. Remember this one, shadow is always black in color. Okay, for sometimes people may ask you to check your knowledge. You are learning that shadow is having only one color, that is black, or sometimes gray in color, but that also be like black, right? So that you can't see any color there in the shadow. So they may ask that we are keeping, that means if I am keeping some other color over here, then when you observe that, what color you can see in the shadow? So some people will say that we can see the same color of the object there. Then it is wrong. Okay, so remember this one, shadow always black in color only. So here you cannot say that which color of the color of the object here. So now from this, what you understood, children, this is the shadow. Okay, from this, what you understood, children, for the formation of this shadow, what are the things required? Three things mainly required. One, it is the source of light, and the second one is there must be an opaque object, and the third one, there must be a screen. Then only the shadow will be formed. Okay, understood? Now children, see here the screen, naturally also it is there, right? Here, if this is the artificial source of light, right? If I am drawing here the sunlight. Okay, sunlight, it is the natural source of light, right? Natural source. Then here what will be the natural, you can say ground. Okay, the ground, or you can say the that means the wall also. Okay, if the daytime at your home also, sometimes if you are little bit darkness is there and the light allows, then you can see the shadows there also. Okay, so here the ground itself acts as a screen. Okay, this acts as the screen. And then here the object, anything object, if we are drawing a person here, okay, a person, then that person's shadow will be formed. Person, it's a human body, right? It's a natural only. So when the man is walking on the ground, that time the light fall on him and his object, his screen will be obtained on the ground. Okay, when you walk like this, that time you can see this. Okay, that means if this one I will explain just after 2 minutes. Okay, how it is. Okay, this one understood. That means the shadow of a person falls on the ground when there is the light, when the sunlight fall on us. Okay, this one understood, the things required. Now see children, what are the characteristics of the shadow? Okay, now I will explain what are the characteristics of the shadow. Characteristics, features. Okay, characteristics means the features. So here you know that for the characteristics, actually what are the things required? There must be a screen, right? There must be a screen which is always opposite to the path of the light. Okay, and then second one, there should be always an opaque object in between. Opaque object. And third one, there should be the source of light. Okay, source of light. These are the things required. The screen, now see, the depends upon, okay, how it is depending. Now see, this actually the length of the shadow, length, okay, length of the shadow depends upon the nature of the light. That means the position of the light also. You can say the position. Okay, depends upon the position of the light. For example, for this question, this sentence I will explain. The position, see, if when you are moving there, right, the earth or on the sunlight falling, sunlight in the here it is the east, okay, east direction. So east direction, and here west. The sun rises in the east and at the west, right? Or you can say that that time when it is in east direction, and that time if the object is moving from here, okay, then how the shadow will be? The shadow will be longer. Okay, see, for example, when you are walking in the evening and morning, okay, evening and morning, when you are walking, then you just see through on the ground. Okay, if they after the sunrise only, okay, and before the sunset, see there you, this is a homework for all of you. Okay, do this and tell me you how you are you can see your shadow there on the ground itself. Okay, nothing you need for this one, just walk on the ground and see. That time if you are moving in the, that means morning time or in the evening time, how it will be? Your shadow will be long. Okay, and the same day you just look check your shadow during the noon time also. Okay, noon time, how it happens? The sunlight falls directly over our head, so the shadow will be just formed opposite to us. So it will, you can see just by seeing down itself. Okay, it is opposite to us on the ground. So that time it will be very small. Okay, your shadow will be very small when you look down, because the sunlight falls straight over our body. Okay, and in the morning and evening, how it will be? That time your shadow will be longer. If it is in the east side, that is in the morning time, right? That time your shadow will be when you are, this is if I am saying about this is the east, okay, if saying, then east direction if you look, then your shadow will be formed behind you. Always the shadow will be formed behind the object. Okay, so the screen where it is ground only, so look at the back side like this, so you can see your shadow over there. It will be long. And again in the evening, just you turn like this, because sun sets, okay, sets in the west. That time you just see like this, the sun is facing towards like this, and that time just to see, look behind you, you can see your shadow over there. That also be long. So that means in the morning and evening, the sun rays are falling slanting. Slanting means not a straight, it is straight only, but in the slanting position, that means in slope. So it's a distance also. When we are comparing about, this is the timing, okay, that means the shadow depends upon the time of the object also, okay, time depending upon the time. So that only I explained here, that morning and evening. Morning and evening the light falls slanting, so that the shadow will be long. And in the noon time the light falls straight over our head. So from here the body, that shadow formed just opposite, down only. That will be small. So it means according to the time, the shadow, size of the shadow also depends, varies. Okay. And then distance, if we are saying distance, in the morning and evening what happens, or in the east and west what happens, the sun rays are falling towards us, okay, that will be that means closer. We can say that they are, it is closer to the object, closer to us. Now if I am here, so I am the object, okay, and the sun rays falling from that side and this side, it will be closer to me, so that the length of the shadow will be longer. Okay, if the source of light is closer to the object, then the size of the shadow will be long, okay, longer. And when it is on the noon time, it is straight forward, straight fall on my head. So that means the distance is less. That means it is far away. Okay, when the distance is far away, that time the shadow will be smaller. Understood? That only here I will show here through the diagram. Okay, that is, see children, this is the, see here I can say this is earth only. Okay, that means the ground. Okay, ground. And when the sun rays falling here, that is this one time here, so it falls like this. It means it is coming like this, right? And this time the sunlight coming like this, slanting. And in noon time the sunlight falls straight. It falls straight to the body. So here if it is a slanting, so what happens? The size of the shadow will be longer. Slanting, and it is as well as it is closer. Okay, closer, or we can say closer. That time shadow, size of the shadow is long. Okay, and if the object is far from the standing here, then it is falling straight. It is very far from, okay, far, then what happens? The shadow will be, the size of the shadow is small. Okay, understood? Now the next one is color. I explained color. When we are saying about the next characteristics, color. Color always black in color. Always black. Okay. So by seeing the color of the shadow, you cannot say that the color of the object. Okay, because always whatever the color you kept in between, if it is a tree, okay, the foot big tree that is full of green in color, and its shadow is forming on the ground, then also which color it will be? It will be black in color. We cannot say the color of the tree or the plant. Or if it is a bird, so bird, it's a beautiful bird. Or if I am keeping a beautiful rose flower, okay, in front of the light and the screen, then that screen, in that the shadow obtaining will be the black color only, okay. And but it says the shape, okay, shape you will get it, but exact shape you cannot say. If it is a rectangular shape, then you will get the rectangular shape, you will get it, okay. The shape of the object you can say, but you cannot say the size of the object, you can't say, okay. Size you can, shape you can say, okay. Shape you can, but if you are saying about the size, no, because the size depends upon the distance, okay. If the object is closer to the light, okay, if I am keeping the candle over here, okay, just saying this, this is the light, right? And if I am keeping the candle here, and here the screen, okay, the candle, if it is closer to the light, then the shadow will be long, okay, the shadow will be long. And if the candle is far from the light, then the shadow will be small, okay, understood. And big and small, all from that you can. And now see, the next one is it also depend upon the size of the light source and the opaque object, okay. That means the length of the shadow formed by the sunlight changes with the time. Time also you have to see, that I explained already, morning and evening time, right? In the morning and evening, the shadow will be longer, size will be long, and in the noon time it will be small. That means it depends upon the time, okay. And next, what else is there, children? Now this shift, the position of the shadow, shift between with the light source, okay. If the light changes, and then the shadow also change, okay. The light shift from the forward and backward. According to that, the image also, that means the shadow obtained also will be shift, okay. Understood, children? Now in the next class I will explain about the pinhole camera, okay. So in that, how the shadow getting through the pinhole, okay. Till that, children, take care, read the chapter thoroughly, okay, children. Thank you, have a nice day.